This is a small mirror that I've been working on, and I started to finish it. It's got a couple coats of finish that I'm going to now rub down and put some final coats on. It's an example of a freeform mirror class that I teach through DIY. And it's basically, this wood came out of another mirror that was larger. It was the center that I cut out. And so when I cut it out, it was kind of this general shape. So I decided that I would make another mirror from that. It's a good example for when I'm teaching, and it utilizes quite a few basic standard carving tools such as rasps and gouges and spoke shaves and quite a few interesting tools. The work itself is very enjoyable, and a freeform mirror is there's no right or wrong way of doing it. So anybody that's taken the course have expressed how much they liked it, and they all walk out with a nice project.